Nikki at NikkiHaddock.com. Welcome back today for the next chapter in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing a Weight Watchers frittata in the Instant Pot. And these are going to be in ramekins, so they're single size servings, so you don't need to worry about portion sizes. And each ramekin is going to be equal to about 4 points. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. So here we are ready to make our Weight Watchers frittatas. So what we need is some ham, or turkey bacon works well as well. Some veggies. Here we're going to use a potato, some yellow and red pepper, and a little bit of onion. And then we've got our egg mixture, which is just 6 eggs and a little bit of milk. And then we've got our cheese to go on the top. So I'm going to put one together, and then we're going to take them over to the Instant Pot. So I'll put one together for you, and then I'll finish the rest on my own. So we start with a piece of ham. We're just going to put that right into the bottom of the cup. And then we're going to top it with some veggies. Just about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the veggies. Sort of pack it in a little bit. And then we're going to add in our egg up to the line of the ramekin, if you can see that here. Just like that. Then we're going to top it with a little sprinkle of cheese. Okay, I will finish these other ones off and meet you over at the Instant Pot. And we're back at the Instant Pot, ready to put our ramekins in for cooking. So we've put the trivet in, and there's 1 cup of water sitting in. So we're going to put the ramekins inside, and it's okay if you have to stack them a little bit. Just like that. And we're going to put the lid on. Lock it down. Make sure that this is on sealing, not vent. And we're going to pressure cook for 10 minutes. And then we're going to do a quick release with the valve. So our pressure cook is done. Now we're going to do a quick release. We're just going to push the valve to vent. And wait till the pin drops. Okay, so the pin is dropped. We're ready to take the lid off. And those look perfect. So now we're going to just use the tongs here to remove them. There we go. We're just going to take them all out, and then we'll meet you back over at the counter. And here we have our completed Weight Watchers frittatas. And as I said before, each ramekin is a single serving size, so you don't need to worry about serving sizes. Each one is 4 points for your day. I hope you've enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a like, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe can be found in the description of this video. Leave us any questions or comments below, and we'll get back to you when we can. Thanks so much. See you next time.